Bum, bum, bum. Hello, hello. Welcome, friends, family, students, everyone that wants to learn. Please remember, this is just me and my experience that I'm sharing with you. I am not 100% correct the whole time, obviously. I'm human. This is just my knowledge that I want to share and help my students. I've got years of practical experience that I'm dying to share, and I'm excited, so let's go. The next video, we will go through and create some simple sentences. Before we do that, I want to ask, do you know what singular is? Do you know what plural is? Do you know what a subject is? Do you know that the subjects, there's three little types: people, places, and things. Do you know what a verb is? Do you know what the be verb is? Is, am, are. Do you know which are singular and plural? Do you know which subjects are singular and plural? An object. Do you know what an object is? So again, here's three simple pictures. Try and create one sentence for each one. For example, pause the video, try write it quickly. Now I'll tell you. The boy, subject, kicks the ball, object. The car, subject, hits, so thing, subject, hits, object, the tree. Now we have subject, the lion. The lion chases. The lion chases, the verb, chases what? The man or the person, the object. All right, guys, next video we'll start some writing. In the previous videos I've given you the pronunciation: A for apple, B for ball, etc. Please make sure you can write them and you can say them. It's very, very important. If you don't start with the beginning and the sounds, guys, please. All right, I'm here to help, and have a lovely day. Awesome. Bye.